It's getting to be late spring and we're starting to see temperatures with highs in the 80s. We're already starting to see some signs of this spinach bolting. So this particular leaf right here is kind of what we expect the spinach leaf to look like. But if you notice, it's starting to get more elongated and arrow-shaped. And if we look right here, this spinach is actually starting to form its flower stalk right here. Just because the spinach is starting to bolt doesn't mean that it tastes bitter yet. But the way that I do it is I come out here in the garden as I go to start picking the spinach, I look at a plant and I think, well, that's looking like it's starting to bolt. So I'll just take a little bit of the leaf and taste it and see if it has the bitter taste of a spinach plant that is bolting. That one doesn't. So I could go ahead and harvest this plant and it would taste just fine. I have a plant here that a few days ago had the flower stalk growing on it and I cut it off. So let's see if it's good. That is starting to get a little bit bitter. So I probably won't pick this one plant, but I can pick the rest of the plants and bring them inside and use them. Now, in a matter of a couple of days, I expect that I won't be able to harvest any more off of the spinach crop because it will all have been bolted. But that lets me get a little bit more before it goes.
Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.